How to turn on or turn off camera, scan documents, and text on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the four dots on the right hand side, and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here at the top, tap on scan documents and text. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch it on. Now you can tap on the left hand side panel, and in here you can also switch it on or off at the top here. If you go down, you can manually turn on or turn off auto scan. So this will automatically capture documents and text without pressing the shutter button. You can also turn on or turn off remove unwanted objects, so automatically remove fingers from the frame when scanning documents. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.